What's up, guys? I'm a bird, as you can see. I'm flying through the air and shit. I'm gonna go try and steal this guy's egg real quick. Stealing? Oh shit. Cool. He just hit me. Alright, get his ass. I gotta get his ass. Get him. I'm invisible. I'm invisible. Hopefully he can't see me. I'm gonna go in. Try again. Oh, fuck. Chill. Fuck, chill, man. Holy crap. This guy's a fucking sweat. Holy shit. He needs to get off the fucking game. He's actually genuinely a chud. Game on! Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today we're going to be playing a game called Birds of War. I don't know if you guys have heard of the meme. It's an AI generated meme of this game called Bird Game 3. And this is basically what we're playing today. Someone decided to actually make the game. And we're going to check it out. See if it's any good. Or see if it's slop. You'll find out. And I'll catch you guys in the video. Peace. Right, let's get into the tutorial. Let's check out the tutorial. Let's see. I'm probably going to need a fucking tutorial for this game.
Right then, Private. I'll be your instructor today. Listen carefully to what I say. You'll need it. You're flying crow today. Follow the marker.
Okay. I think I know how to do this.
Good. Now press the up button to move up, and the down button to move down. This is how you control your verticality. Okay, now fly up to that first ring and glide down to the bottom. Nice. Height wins fights. Remember that. Head to the combat area. Now, I've just spawned a dummy for you.
Oh shit! Oh shit, damn!
I spawned another dummy for you. God, I'm so cool. Anyways, use your first ability. Vanish. Sneak up behind it, then charge up your second ability and release.
Okay, so Crow is like kind of like the stealth sonar type of character. Okay. Oh.
Good.
Oh
Sneaky
shit.
First, violent second. That's Crow work. Good job. What's your ability icon? It tells you when an ability is ready to use again. Also, Private, make sure you use your parry ability. You can test that out now. You'll figure out the timing in the field. See that wind tunnel? Fly upwards inside it to build speed fast. Then soar down through the rings.
Okay, so we have wind turn things that give you boost. Okay.
You are such a speedy little guy. Another matter. Now,
all right.
I want you to fly into their nest and press and hold the egg capture button to steal their egg. You've got it. Now fly to the nest we just pinged for you and release the egg once you land inside it. Very well done. Bank it for me. Good work. You can fly, fight, sneak, steal, and score. You remind me
This
of
game's
my
freaking
younger
cool as
days.
hell.
I didn't.
Yo, this game looks sick. We're playing Bird Game 3. Now let's get in the match. Let's get in some rank.
Hey, Stone My Body, your choice.
What does this mean, bro? Not gonna lie, we're gonna go with the Crow this match first. I got a job. Oh shit, we in a match. Okay.
Oh, that's all
Battle
good then.
commences in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Play.
1. Go on
Lock
then,
it, lock it,
Private.
lock it, lock
Make
it.
it happen.
You gotta lock
Getting her
in.
money up is more important than.
Not only I don't fuck with the job.
The
I hate
enemy
my
has
job.
our egg. Bring them down.
Stealing this motherfucker. Hey, this fucker! Hey! I'm invisible. He doesn't know where I am. Steal his egg. Oh shit! Chill! No! Motherfucker, bro. This motherfucker has her fucking egg.
They've grabbed an egg. Enemies making a comeback. Don't let.
Hey! I can't tell who's on our team and who's not on our
The
team.
enemy team need one more.
Okay, so we're red. Alright.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm not so.
Not a No match. Birds of war. Low key, we're gonna go hummingbird as well.
Capture their eggs and return them to our nest. Try not to embarrass me.
Okay. What are my abilities? Okay, these are my M1s.
Our team has an egg. Get it home. You've caught their egg. Now
Okay, we have an egg.
Nest, you absolute clowns. The enemy has our egg. Bring them down.
Whoa! Fucker. Piece his ass up.
Revenge kill.
Piece his
Now
fucking
there you
ass up. Sloppy.
go. We've lost an egg. Bloody disaster. You've caught their egg. Now get it home.
Friends.
They've got our egg. Get it back.
Goddamn.
Egg carrier spotted. Take them down.
Is this guy on my team? I can't even tell. I genuinely cannot tell.
He's making a comeback. Don't let them.
Yo!
Our team has an egg. Get it home. Egg secured. Good one.
Piece his ass up! This motherfucker!
Defend the
Yo!
egg, you clowns.
I should have a smaller hitbox. This should be easy. Alright, bro. We gotta get 9.
You've caught their egg. Now get it home. Cut them down.
Oh, shoot.
Egg acquired. Get it back to the nest.
Playing defense? We're playing mad defense. Y'all need to just chill on this nest while I get all the eggs.
Bring them down. You've caught their egg. Now get it home.
And right here, you guessed it. I hit my head again. God damn it.
Enemies make it. 3 minutes remaining. They've got our egg. Get it back. They've turned it around, lads. 3 eggs left. Pick up the pace. They've got our egg. Get it back.
Hey! Nah, fuck this motherfucker thinks he can just steal my egg. Slow rap, kidding
Press the
me.
advantage.
Shoot! No! No! Ooh.
Momentum's ours.
Brother, I keep getting pieced up! Here.
3 eggs left. Pick up the pace. Enemy
We only need
streak.
3 eggs.
Shut them down.
You gotta get 3 more eggs.
You've caught their egg. Now get it home. The enemy has our egg. Bring them down. Momentum's ours. Press the 30 seconds left.
Stealing?
You've
I'm stealing?
got their egg.
I'm going?
Now get it home. We've lost an
Oh
egg.
no!
Disaster. Got our egg. Get it back.
It's that.
We are
We're gonna go damn, we're gonna do Crow. We're gonna do Crow this match. Low-key.
Battle commences in 5. Our team has an egg. The enemy has our egg.
Do what I
Bring
can,
them
you know.
down. Our egg's down. Get it back.
Going invisible. I'm stealing.
You've caught their egg.
Going?
Now get it home.
They just got fucking bamboozled. For like half the match, I didn't even realize I was giving the enemy team my stolen egg. I didn't even realize it until like halfway.
Egg carrier spotted.
What are you doing? Get the fuck out of my shit. Yeah, get the fuck out of my face. I'm sneaking in. How do they not notice me? This okay, dead ass Crow might be the best bird, bro. Genuinely. You could literally just turn straight up invisible. I don't know if you're like invisible or if you're just like a little or just like, you know, less noticeable, but I don't know, man. Crow might be the meta. God damn. Yeah! Yeah. Motherfuckers don't play with me. Get on my face, boy!
Come back. Don't let them.
This is why Crow is supreme. Going visible.
Egg
No!
Take them down.
I'm invising. I'm going in. Stealing an egg!
Got their egg. Now get it home.
Oh, I'm dodging. I'm weaving.
Egg secure. Enemy streak. 3 eggs left. Pick up the pace. Moment Q. Their egg.
No!
Get it home.
Yo, frickin' Iron Beak has no eggs.
One egg remaining. Make it count. Victory!
Yeah! Oh shit, we level 3 now. There's another one.
On your marks, lads. They've got our egg.
Oh damn, we in the jungle map? Why did I already queue? Why did I queue and it already going on game? Whatever. Oh, we're 2? Yikes. We only have 6 minutes left? Why did they just
The
throw
enemy's
me in
making
this
a
game,
comeback.
man?
Don't let them. You've caught their egg.
Go!
Get it home. The enemy has them down.
No, they don't. Slowed.
Defend the nest, you absolute clowns. Enemy streak. Shut them down.
Damn!
Now get it home.
God damn!
Bring them down. Incoming Guano. Move now.
I'm invising. How do they know I'm here? I'm supposed to be invisible! This ability sucks!
Eyes up.
Whack you, Stone.
Whack you, Stone? What is that supposed to mean?
You caught their egg.
Holy shit! They're playing hard fucking defense, bro! A bunch of fucking cornballs! Yo! No, what the fuck? Fine, we'll go for freaking Blackwing. Oh yeah, Blackwing's it's 6, bro. Yeah, fucking steal from them.
Egg
I'm
secure.
invising.
Keep raiding. You've caught their egg. Now get it home. 3 eggs left. Pick up the pace.
What y'all know about the Crow Invisible meta?
You've caught their egg. Now get it home. Momentum's ours.
Yeah, I
Press
think
the
they
advantage.
might have just given up, bro. Look at them.
Incoming Guano. Move now. 3 eggs left. They grabbed an egg.
God! Whoa! Actual cheese eagle blow, bro.
Hostile teeth. You've caught their egg. Now get it her jammed. Eyes up.
Fuck out my face.
Defend the nest, you absolute clowns. They've got her egg. Get it back. You've got their egg. Now get it home.
God damn.
Get it home. The enemy has our egg. Bring them down.
No, you fucking
Our egg
don't.
down. Get it back.
Get over here, you fucker! Oh, they're gonna fucking win.
Signal jam. Eyes up.
We're tied. One more egg.
They've got her egg. Get it back. You've caught their egg. Now.
No! This is called aerodynamics. Oh shit! He just pieced me up. He's piecing me up. Oh fuck! He might be piecing me up. I'm gonna visit. I'm sneaking back in. Fuck! He just fucking electrocuted me. What the fuck?
Is this what you want? Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
Genuinely an eagle fucking cheese.
Signal
bro.
jammed.
How the fuck is Iron Beak at 6 now? I thought they were losing.
Defeated.
Fuck, man! This game's kind of ass. Did not live up to the hype that I thought it would be. Oh,